Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to create categories in Squarespace. Categories are incredibly important for organizing your website content, making it much easier for your visitors to find exactly what they are looking for. They significantly enhance navigation and improve the overall user experience. You can assign multiple categories to a single item, which is especially useful for blog posts and products. To set up categories for your blog posts, first navigate to your blog page in the Squarespace editor. Then, either edit an existing post or begin creating a new one. Within the Post Settings panel, you will find a dedicated Categories section. Simply type your desired category name into the field and press the Enter key. This action instantly creates and assigns the new category to your post. Joining a friend's Factorio LAN game is just as straightforward. Start Factorio, go to Play, and then select Multiplayer. This time, choose Connect to Game. You'll need to enter the host's local IP address, which they can find easily. Alternatively, the game might automatically list available LAN sessions for you to browse. Just ensure you are both connected to the same local network. Categories are also vital for organizing your products. Head over to your products page and select any product you wish to edit. Within the product editor, look for the Organization section. Here, you can either add brand new categories specific to your products or select from your existing list. This feature greatly assists customers in filtering and discovering items, enhancing their shopping experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.